Hello everyone. So, are you working on a WM-10 and have no power at all? Well, just check this first. Right, when you press the play button, a lever comes down and bridges these two contacts, right? Do you see what I mean? It bridges these two contacts and that will spin the motor. It's a very easy way to test for power, and you won't know, judging by the battery indicator, whether you have power, unless, right, you plug in your damn headphones, right? I've been sat here for over an hour. No, I've been sat here for nearly 2 hours, right? Do you see what I mean? You have to have headphones plugged in. Oh, nearly 2 hours diagnosing this. I've ripped it apart. I've lubricated everything. I've checked every contact, but I didn't check the bloody headphone jack. So if you have no power, please make sure you've got no corrosion on your contacts, and make sure you have headphones plugged in. Okay, thank you for watching.